iPhone 11 Pro forget password. Let's fix iPhone 11 Pro forget password. You don't know your password? Don't worry, let's fix the problem. Press the power button and down volume button and turn off your phone. When you connect to PC, press the down volume button and power button. Open the Google Chrome. Search iPhone firmware. Click the first one. Select iPhone. Select 11 Pro. Please download the file. We are already downloaded. Now open the 3Tool app. Please import the download file. Select a quick flash. Now click the flash button. Flashing, wait a few minutes. Successfully work completed. Then you want to set up your basic setup, your phone. Thanks for watching. See you next video.